People of different ages, religions, and castes live in the SFS colony. They want their colony to be a happy and united place. For this, they are all trying to become good citizens of their colony. Today, with them, you will learn about being open-minded. Akram's friend, Bijo, has come to SFS colony to meet him. Akram introduces Bijo to Debu and Suku. They all go out to eat lunch. Bijo says,
I will have a chicken roll.
Suku hears this and makes a face. She does not like people who eat non-vegetarian food. In this lesson, you will learn that strong opinions can make us close-minded. If we are close-minded, we may be unfair to others. If we are open-minded, we may learn new things about others. After lunch, everyone decides to go to the park. Suku says,
I am going home.
Bijo says,
Why? Come with us. It will be fun.
Suku says,
I will never come with you.
everyone is shocked by Suku's behavior. Did Suku do the right thing by behaving like this? Yes or no? You are right. Many people have different opinions than us. We should still respect them. Suku is being close-minded. She has very strong opinions on how everyone should be. She does not accept anyone who is different from her. Akram goes to Suku and says,
Suku, what's the problem? Why are you behaving so badly?
Suku says,
I don't like Bijo.
Akram is surprised.
But you did not even speak to him.
Suku says,
He eats non-vegetarian food. He is not good.
Akram says,
No, Suku. Bijo is a very good person. You don't know him properly. You only know that he eats non-vegetarian food. Do you know? He is also a badminton player like you.
Suku said,
Oh, I didn't know that.
think about 3 of your friends. Now, think of some things that make you different from them. It can be the things like language, food, skin color, way of thinking, religion, caste, clothing, and lifestyle. Are they different from you? Do you still love them? It is not bad to be different. We can love people even if they are different from us. For that, we have to be open-minded. When we are close-minded, we make a wall between us and other people. Click on Suku to understand.
I don't like non-vegetarians because my family does not like them. Our religion also says that we should not eat meat.
There can be many reasons for our strong opinions, like our family, religion, society, etc.
Because of my opinion, I don't like anyone who eats non-vegetarian food.
When we are close-minded, we create a wall between us and other people.
But after I spoke to Bijo, I liked him. We are going to practice badminton together.
Everyone cannot be like us. We should try to know more about them before we judge them.
Non-vegetarians are not bad. They are just different from me.
Our opinions should not be so fixed. When we are open-minded, we can live peacefully with other people. Your turn. Many times, we make a wall with our opinions. Think of one strong opinion that you have about people. Have you behaved badly with someone because of that? Click here to look at some answers. I didn't talk to people who were not a part of my community. But now I have realized that people of other community are also good. We shouldn't judge people so quickly. I used to think that fair people are smarter than dark people. I realized later that smartness and skin color are not related. Akram is very happy that Suku and Bijo are friends. He says,
We are all different in some ways, but we are also same in some other ways. If we all understand that, we can be good citizens of our colony, country, and world.
activity time. Here are some statements. Do you agree or disagree with them? If we are open-minded, we will learn new things about others. You are right. Many times, a close-minded person is unfair to others. You are right. If everyone is open-minded, the world can be happy and peaceful. You are right. Next time you are being close-minded, think about Suku and Bijo's friendship.